Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am.
The worst of what I came from, patterns I'm ashamed of, things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it,
I try to fight it.
my head was twisted, our hearts divided, my lives all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side.
Just know that I was on your side, but
I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back.